right? Now, let me show you one more interesting thing. For example, let me go into Trading View. So Trading View is a platform which gives you analysis of a particular stock. Okay. So let me just continue with my email ID. So for example, let me just put ITC. Okay, ITC is a company which is a listed company. Let me just put that. And I'll get the chart of ITC, right? This is a chart of ITC, right? Now I'll just put this chart for 5 years. So this is the 5 years chart which I have for this company. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a screenshot of this chart. So let me just take a screenshot. Right? And I'll just put this screenshot in Copilot. Okay. Now what I'm going to tell it is do a technical analysis of the stock chart given in the image and provide valuable insights along with entry and exit points in the form of price. Okay. So what I'm asking is do a technical analysis based on the chart that is there. Okay. Usually those who are into stock market, they might do their analysis based on reading some charts. Okay. Creating lines. Can you see this? I have also created various lines. Okay. Just to see the support, resistance. Okay. So that analysis I can just ask Copilot to do also, right? Along with the entry and exit point, also provide support and resistance of the stock. So let us see if it can actually analyze it as a, what we can say, stock market trader. Okay. That is very, very good feature of this Copilot, if it can do it. Can you see this? It is even giving me the resistance and support level. That means at what level the stock is going to get support. What is the entry point? What is the exit point? See, it is actually working like a data or stock market analyst for me. Okay. Technical analysis insights, trend analysis. The chart shows an upward trend. So if I see the chart is showing upward trend and the same is, so let me just give you a comparison. So the chart is showing upward trends with higher highs and higher lows. That means it is going higher highs and higher lows. Okay. So it is actually an upward trend. That is correct. Bullish market sentiment. The blue trend lines confirm the upward momentum. Okay. The volume bars at the bottom indicate increasing trading volume. Can you see this volume bars at the bottom? This one, sorry. This one bars. Okay. This bars also it has analyzed. Okay. And it is showing an upward trend. Right. Then support level, resistance level. So support level is 380, 370. Okay. For this stock, the support level is 380 somewhere here. Somewhere here. It is saying that this is its support. Okay. And resistance is 445. So that means it will go till 370 and then it will reverse, and resistance like it will go till 430. Okay. So it can go to till somewhere near 430, something like this. So it is also giving me the levels to enter and to exit. Okay. So see, from 430 level, it has gone up also. Okay. So this kind of analysis can also be done only by putting some prompt. And I have put a very simple thing. Okay. Do a technical analysis and of this stock and give me entry and exit point. So see, you can actually get the entry and exit point with the help of this AI tool also, right? So entry point, consider entering around the support level. So what it is saying, where there is support 380, you can buy this stock. If it is 430 to 445, sell this stock so that you can actually save your money. And then it has given a summary table also, support level, resistance level, entry level. So if somebody who is into stock market or who watches all these news, so in news also, in stock market news also, they provide you the same support level, resistance level, right? So this is one of the best part of this AI tool, that even if you put an image of a chart, it will give you what is happening. Not just that, as you can see here, what is the recent news related to ITC? So, for example, I have invested in ITC. I want to understand how the company is performing. I don't have time to go and search for news. I can just click on that, and it will give me the recent news, what has happened with ITC. Okay. So ITC, as you know, that it is going for a demerger. So, so that is a major news for ITC. So it is actually demerging its hotel business. Okay. Say top four news it has already given me. Not just that. Can you provide me a moving average analysis? Can show me the RSI, MACD indicators? These are very technical things that is done by all these stock market traders. Okay. Imagine you have an AI which is answering all these answers for you. What are the recent financial results? Very, very important. Let me just click on that. So what is the financial results of this company? So we have to actually go and search for financial results. Okay. It will give me a summary of the financial results of ITC. Right. So let it just create. So see, segment wise, it has given me a summary. So as you can see, ITC for Q3, okay, FY24. So that is Q3 FY24. It has given me an older financial result. So if I can ask it that provide me the financial results of ITC for Q1 FY25. So that is a recent, the current June quarter I am asking. Can you see this? It is giving me the summary of the entire, uh, you know, business, what has been the sector-wise performance, everything it is giving me at one place. Okay. So here, see, ITC reported a revenue of 18,000 crore, which is 7% increase from 16,000 crore. Okay. So year on year, they have, no, so quarter on quarter, they have grown by 7%. Net profit was, this time it was 4,900. Okay. Earlier it was 4,900, something similar to that. Then some commentary is there. Okay. What has been the growth? Hotel business has performed 10% increase in segment revenue. Okay. And so on and so forth. So see, everything is getting generated by just by clicking. I have just wrote a single thing that I want to analyze ITC. It is giving me everything related to that. Now, for example, let me just give you one more perspective to it. For example, you have invested in ITC, but at the same time, you are interested in investing one more FMCG company. For example, HUL, Hindustan Unilever. So Hindustan Unilever and ITC are competitors, right? So I'll just write do a comparative analysis of ITC and HUL and suggest which company should I invest based on the fundamentals of the companies, right? Fundamentals of both the companies. So what I'm trying to do is trying to do a comparative analysis. Comparative analysis will help me understand, okay, which company should I invest my money into. Okay. So of course, why we have covered it in productivity is it takes a lot of time for us to actually compare this and then decide which company should we go for. Now it will actually give me a comparative analysis. Today, if I have two options to invest, I can ask GPT or maybe this AI tool, Copilot, to actually give me the comparative analysis, and based on that, it also gives me suggestion also, right? So if you see, it has given me the comparison in each and every parameter. So company overview. So it is established in 1910. HUL is one of the biggest company, 90 years old. Both the companies are 90 years old approximately. ITC reported a revenue of 18,000 crore, while HUL reported 14,000 crore. Okay. And even the profit, if you see, ITC is 4,900 crore profit, but HUL is 2,400 crore profit. Okay. So see, this makes apple to apple comparison of the performance of the company. Then revenue growth, ITC 7%, HUL 6%. Stock performance, ITC has given whooping 52% return approximately, while for the same period, 1 year return, HUL has given only 19%. Can you see this? Then 5 years return, HUL has given a good 5 years return, while ITC has given only 50%. Valuation, this is crucial. Okay, this will tell us whether my stock is costly or cheap, right? Clear? So ITC is trading at 27. That means there is a lot of scope for ITC to, create more wealth. Okay. But HUL is at 69, which is a costly thing, right? Marketing strategies, then dividend yield, very, very important. ITC gives 6 rupees per share dividend, while HUL dividend is very, very low. Okay. So this is a dividend paying stock. Correct? Say conclusion, pros and cons, right? This is best. For example, if you are completely new to stock market, you don't know anything. Okay, just go directly to pros and cons. Okay, ITC has a pro, that strong revenue growth, high dividend yield, diversified business model. So ITC is into various different kind of products, and very strong recent performance. Okay, cons, higher dependency on tobacco segment. Okay, of course, ITC is known for tobacco also, right? So it has a lot of dependency in tobacco, and tobacco is a affair of regulatory. Okay. So it is giving me each and every aspect. While HUS is a strong brand portfolio, it is a very old company, very good, strong, what we can say, lineage it has. Okay. Focus on sustainability, P ratio indicate that the stock is expensive. Can you see this? This is what I was talking about. So it tells me that P ratio tells me that the HUL stock is expensive. This is what I was also telling you. Remember that 27 compared to 59, right? So this is what the system is also telling you. So see, till now we used to depend on all these financial advisors to give us this information. Okay, maybe we might be putting a lot of time of ours, okay, watching news to just get these insights. But now see, even a simple prompt can help me do a comparison like this with the help of AI. So investment suggestions, okay. ITC might be a better pick if you are looking for strong dividend and diversified business model. HUL could be a better choice if you prefer company with a strong brand portfolio. It is not going to suggest you anything. It is going to just make sure that whatever is your purpose of investing, you can choose your path. Okay, that is what is this capable of. Okay, so I see, frankly speaking, I also invest in stock market on a regular basis. Now I use these tools to actually get this information faster. Okay, and these are live information. Okay, so why we use Copilot rather than ChatGPT? I would have shown you this in ChatGPT also, but the problem is ChatGPT doesn't have real internet data, real time internet data. It doesn't have. It is an older version of data that they have. Okay. So always use Copilot for any live, what we say, no, live kind of data. So that it can give you the insights in real time basis, right? I hope this use case is clear, right? So you can do technical analysis, you can do fundamental analysis, you can compare two stocks. Okay. Now, anybody wants me to compare any two stocks of the same industry? I would be happy to do that. Yes. Anybody has any stock in mind? Two stocks which we can compare. Yes. Anybody? Okay. Let us take. Okay. So there are two shipping cost, shipping, stocks. Okay. Mazgaon Dock and Coaching Shipyard. Okay. Let us do a comparison of both, and let us see where should I invest. For example, let us take a scenario that usually we go to all these investment advisors, okay, with the request that I have 1 lakh rupees. I have seen a lot of chat also. So what they say is that I have 1 lakh rupees and I want to invest in either of the companies. Okay, so I'll also start. I have rupees 1 lakh to invest in either of the company. Okay, do a comparative analysis of maybe Mesdown dot and Coaching Shipyard. Okay, because they are from the same sector. And suggest which company should I invest based on the fundamentals of both the companies. Okay, let us try to do that. See, again, it is giving me the end-to-end detail about the performance. So you see, the best part is to to have the comparison at one place. Okay, so that you can be you can just take your decision wisely. Okay, Jeevan, if you can give me the, like you are saying, top two companies from the sector, right? That is also one of the use case which I use a lot. Okay, let us do that also. So see here also it has given me everything. So for example, I am. Can you see this 30 and 14 50? Again, Coaching Shipyard is very expensive as compared to Mazgaon. Correct. So the and if I don't know anything about these things, okay, I can go here and investment suggestion. MSMDSL, that is Mazgaon Dock, might be a better pick if you are looking for strong revenue growth, high dividend yield, and a robust order book driven by defense contracts. Coaching Shipyard is a better choice if you prefer a company with diverse service offering segment and this and that. Okay. So as Jeevan is asking that, can we compare two top companies from the sector? Okay. So let us just use the same logic. Okay. So I have 1 lakh to invest. Do you do a comparative analysis of, instead of writing the name, top two pharma, top two companies in pharma sector in India? You have to mention that, because otherwise it will go all across the world. Okay, and suggest which company should I invest based on the fundamentals. Okay, so Dr. Reddy is one of the company that should come. Okay, let us see. So if you ask me, Lupin is a very good choice to invest in a pharma company. But let us see. So Sun Pharma and Cipla has come. Okay, Dr. Reddy is far behind now. So see this comparative. See, the best part about comparative analysis is it gives me a what we can say overview about two companies, which can help me take my decision fast. That is what it can do. Okay. So let us see. Let us try to see and decide. Okay. So see, 20,000 crore is Sun Pharma and 16,000 crore is Cipla. Okay. Then P, Cipla is very costly, 60 P, and this is 27 P. This is a no-brainer. Sun Pharma is a no-brainer in terms of taking a bet. Okay. Now see, market cap is 4 lakh crore. This is only 1 lakh crore. Okay, right? So pros and cons. Sun Pharma, strong revenue growth, lower PE, significant market cap, and robust R&D investment. Higher dependency on your US market. So if anything goes wrong in US market, Sun Pharma share is going to go down. Right? Same way, higher PE indicating stock might be more expensive. The same analysis system is also doing. Strong presence in respiratory therapies and all that. Okay. So again, suggestion. So see, this data is very, very crisp. Okay. So most of us, we all should admit that most of us buy the stocks without doing any kind of analysis. We just are dependent on either news, either on some of our friends who can suggest some stock or who might have made some fortune in stock market. We are dependent on that. Rather than doing that, we should come here and spend maybe a minute or two to understand about the company and then spend. Okay. So if you are into, uh, if you are into investing, I would strongly suggest you start using these tools. And I think Microsoft Copilot is the best tool that you can use in the space. Okay. I hope this use case is very, very clear. And I would highly recommend you to use it for your, regular, information needs. Right. I hope this is clear, right? So let me show you one more way of doing analysis. And many of you might be having, a lot of different articles. You might come across a lot of different articles. For example, you were, doing some research and you got an article, but the article is very, very long. You cannot, read the entire article. Okay. You don't have time, right? In that case, is there any option which can give you a summary of that article in the most crisp manner? So if you cannot read maybe 100 200 lines, but you can read at least 10 lines about that article so that it can give you the perspective about that. That is also possible, but not on Copilot. There is one more tool that is called Perplexity. Okay, again, a very, very important tool which can help you actually summarize your article, whatever the article that is there. Instead of going through the entire article, search and get the pointers from it, you can actually use a tool which can help you read these articles faster. Let me just share my screen and show you. Okay. So there's a tool called Perplexity. Okay. Again, very, very useful tool. And it can do a lot of things. A lot of different things can be done with this tool. But the best part about this tool is that it can actually analyze a web page and give you the insights out of it. For example, let me just uh, uh, take an example of what we can say. Take census. Let me just see. So 2020 census is the population related data, correct? So census is nothing but the population related data that we have. Let us see if we have some article which has some information which we can summarize. Okay, let us, I think it is taking some time to generate. It's taking some time. Let me just, okay, very recent news. Idea. So those who are into stock market, they might know that Idea's share has fallen around 20% recently. So this is the complete article related to that. Okay. This is a long article and I don't want to read the entire article. Okay. I can just copy this link and give it to Perplexity. Sorry. Let me just copy it again. Why it is not getting copy? Copy. Yeah. So create a summary of the entire article in plain and easy to understand bullet points. So what I'm trying to do is that instead of reading line by line, I want a summary of this article in plain and easy to understand bullet points. Okay. Let me just click on that. Can you see this? How fast it is? It has given me tuck, 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 5 pointers, and I can avoid reading the entire article. Okay. So Vodafone Idea shares price 20%. The unfavorable Supreme Court verdict is a major setback. Okay, brokerage like UBS have actually downgraded from 24 to 12. Okay, there is some issue that has happened related to AGR and so on and so forth. So see, if I go and read that article completely, it takes time for me to read it. Okay. Instead of doing that, I can get a summary of it. I'm sorry. So I can get a summary of it, and that I can use for my analysis purpose. Okay. So you can do it for any article whatsoever, right? Let me just see if I can have a no, news for the day. Let us see if we have some larger article. So majorly, I am not interested into all these political news. Okay, I am more interested into business news. So let me just see something from the market. So see here also Vodafone is in the talks. Okay. So say ACC IRCTC four stock turn bearish, even a Sensex Nifty, and there's an article to it. Okay. So I hope you get the point, right? When you have such big articles, okay, you can just use this link and get a summary of it. Okay. So if I go and do a copy and paste this here, and I'll put the same prompt. Okay. You see, all the four stocks that have been discussed are mentioned here. Otherwise, you see the best part about this articles or the worst part about this articles is that you have to read the entire article to know the number of stocks that they have recommended. Okay. So here I can see what are the bearish stocks. ACC is a bearish stock. IRCTC is there. PNB is there. Aarti Industries is a bearish stock. Bearish means there is a possibility that these stocks are going to go down. Correct. This is also one of the major feature of analyzing the links with the help of this perplexity tool. So it is not that this tool only does that. Okay. If you want to use this for any kind of research, okay. For example, I am into data analytics, right? Now, if I want to understand what is the market for data analytics, what is the basic salary that a person can expect if he masters data analytics, okay. If I want to create a research out of it, I can very well do that with the help of this tool. For example, let me just write a simple prompt, okay. Act as an expert in data analytics. I want to know about the career options if I master data analytics. Provide me a detailed analysis of data analytics jobs in the market, right? Data analytics jobs in the market, along with the average salary that I can expect, along with the average salary that I can expect if I move to data analytics role. So say the best part about these prompts is if you become very, very clear, it can give you relevant, what we say, relevant data. So if you are very clear about it, it can give you the most relevant data that is available. So see, career options in data analytics, mastering data analytics opens a wide array of career opportunities and this and that. Key job roles. Okay, what job roles that you can go for? Data analytics, business analytics, that data scientist, data engineer, market research analyst, industry application. Okay, which industry you can target? Healthcare, finance, e-commerce, technology, market demand and growth. The growth rate of approximately 25% by 2030. So they are saying that by 2030, data analytics role would increase by 25% every year, right? What is required? What are the skills required? So you need to be a proficient in SQL, Power BI, Tableau. Okay, you should have problem solving abilities and so on and so forth. And conclusion. Now, not just that, this is a opinion that has been given by this tool, but the best part is, can you see this? Sources. So Perplexity, the way you use Google, okay, what we do with Google is we try to find some data. We try to find some links. Okay. Here, the best part is instead of using, and I would strongly recommend you start using Perplexity rather than Google search. Okay. Why? Because this has changed the game. It will not only give you the sources that links, but it will also give you the relevant data also. So here, for example, if I want to know more, I can just click on this link and it will directly give me the article. Can you see this? Data Analytics Job Outlook and Market Guiding for 2024. Correct? So this has all the details that I want related to data analytics. Right? Clear? So this way you can find your relevant data instead of going for these Google search. Okay, you can come here and you can see and find all the articles. Can you see this? Key findings also. Job posting, Python related 31%, data analytics job posting is 25%. Okay, and so on and so forth. So if somebody wants to understand, okay, should I move to data analytics or not? What is the career opportunities? We can clearly see with the help of this tool. Okay. So Perplexity, again, for research purpose, it is the best tool that you can use in today's day and age. Okay. Now, I think somebody has asked me some question. Let me see. Okay, can we extract from word, video or audio, say from post? What you want to extract, Jeevan? Can you just explain a bit? What do you want to extract? So you are saying that you want to extract,
In
what
the
has been
similar
said.
fashion, yeah, in the
Okay.
similar fashion, if any podcast is there about related matter, so I
Okay.
can, I can, I can take, I can extract in this data form any interview taken. So I
So,
want
so yeah.
details.
Okay. So
Yeah.
let us just experiment that. That is something that I have not done. But let us see. For example, this is our website. Okay. Maybe let me just go into one of the videos. Okay. For example, let us go this one. Okay. So now this video is very, very long. Okay. It is 2 hours video. And I don't have time to actually do, or I don't have time to actually know what has been discussed in this video. Okay. I want to just go through that in maybe 5-10 minutes, not more than that. So there's a tool called Merlin. Can you see this? So this is installed. If I show you Merlin, this is a Google extension. Okay. Merlin AI. Okay. If you click on that, so there's an extension. You get start for free, and you can download this extension. See why it is coming. Remove from Chrome because it is already added to my Google. So if I for you it will be add to Chrome. So once you add to Chrome, this option will come. Okay. So now it is giving me an option of summarize this video. Okay. So summarize this video, and here it is showing 101 queries left. Okay. So now I can summarize this video by using this Merlin tool. Okay. So, but it gives you credits, okay, which you can use to summarize it. But if you want to use it on a regular fashion, then I would suggest you to go for a paid plan. But for free plan, let me just click on this summarize this video. So see, it is saying we don't have enough information about this video at the moment to generate a summary. That means there is some transcript or there is some, data is not there. That means there is no transcript that is available. Let us just go and see some other video. Okay. Let me just. So it is, see how this data comes in. It is based on the transcript. Okay. So let me see which. Let me just go into home. Okay, let us just try to do this video. Okay. You can do with any video. It is just that transcript should be there. Let us try this. So I am on the video and I am clicking on this create summary. Can you see this? Optimizing Power BI reports with data flows. Okay. The introduction is in this part and so on and so forth. Okay. And there's an option called get transcript. So if I get transcript, whatever has been said in that video, I can get the entire transcript. Now what I can do is that I can copy this transcript and do a summary of it with the help of Perplexity. Okay. In this way, what I am going to do is that I am going to get the things that are told in that video. Of course, I'm not going to read the entire thing. All I'm going to do is that I'm going to just copy that and ask the tool to summarize the entire session. So let me just copy this, summarize the following transcript. Let us try to do that. So see, scenario, data flow, implement data flows. Okay. So it has given me a very short summary of whatever has been discussed in that video. Okay. So with the help of this, I would not be able to learn everything, but I would get to know that what all the things that are covered. Sometimes what happens is that I don't know whether I am going to get anything new out of this video or not. So that I can clearly, understand based on this. Okay. Now this was using Merlin AI. Okay. Let me just try to do one more experiment where I am just going to uh, go onto my channel. Okay. Let me take this video. Now let me just copy this. Let us try to use Perplexity for YouTube also. Okay. So I am just pasting the YouTube link here. Summarize the concepts that have been discussed in the following video. See, can you see this? Even you don't need a Merlin tool. Okay. What I have done is that I have actually, copied one of my previous sessions, and I have asked what are the topics that are discussed in that video. Okay. So how to import the stock data. So this was a Microsoft Excel for stock market. This was a session that I did, right? So what all did I teach in that session? You can import stock data directly from Excel website like NSE, BSE. Excel allows you to integrate data from websites so that the data is automatically refreshed. Okay. Then dynamic charts and graphs. So in that workshop, I told how to create this data visualization using stock data. Okay. And all the technical indicators are there. What is the what what all key metrics that you can create? Everything I have told in this video. So see, this helps us understand what is the coverage of that entire video so that I can decide whether I want to watch it or not. Okay. And if you want to have a detailed one, I would suggest you to actually download this Merlin, and Merlin will give you the summary of the video that you have created, or maybe you might have watched. So this also helps a lot of creators. Just like, for example, I have created a video. Now I don't want to manually go and write down whatever the things that I've covered. I can do what? I can come to Perplexity and I can give a video description. So every video, if you see at the bottom, this is for creators, right? Can you see this? At the bottom, we actually mention what all the things that we have covered. Okay. So this is also one of the way of identifying what all the things are covered in that particular video. So this can be created with the help of Perplexity. All you need to do is that you need to put the link and try to summarize the data. Okay.